What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Z Babe with another video, and today's video is going to be another vlog. If you're new to my channel, my name is Z Money. On this channel, I do hauls, vlogs, story times, and all. But today I'm taking you guys with me again. I did work this weekend, so I was like a little busy, but I am doing another vlog for you guys. So if you guys want to see what I'm going to be doing, keep watching this video. And shout out to all my new subscribers that have subscribed to my channel. I truly appreciate every single one that has subscribed. I also got a fashion overhaul for you guys. And yeah, but today is going to be a vlog. So I'm about to go look at this apartment tour because I am on a hunt to look for my place. I haven't had my place in a while, so I'm a little choosy this time, my second time around. So I'm just gonna take you guys with me, and yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit.
I'm ready yet for a little while.
Oh, so how long is it gonna take?
Let me see what's the soonest. We have a one bedroom, right?
Yeah.
One bedroom. Nice.
This is nice. I like the little counter space. It's a lot of room. Washer and dryer is a plus though. It's kind of small. And you have to pay utilities, correct?
Next Friday. The utilities are not included. Nothing is included.
Okay.
On top of that, you need to consider something like 200.
Okay.
To cover everything, the gas, the electricity, the water, the sewer,
Okay.
the trash, because everything is on your side, guys.
Like a house.
So,
basically like a house.
So about 1600 or something like that.
Okay.
Everything inclusive.
Okay. It's a nice bedroom though. It's pretty big. That's nice.
Yeah.
The bedroom's nice.
It's a good size, right?
Yeah.
Let's fit a good size bed and extra furniture. The bathroom is outside the kitchen. And do you have a lot of furniture?
No, I don't have a lot of furniture, but I do have a lot of stuff.
Hey.
Yeah. The best part that I like about this is the kitchen.
The kitchen?
Yeah, and the space right here.
Yeah, I like how it's open from one side of the apartment to the other side.
But at least you have everything. Like you have your washer, your dryer, you got everything. So you pretty much got everything. And then there's extra. That's what I've been looking for the longest, like extra appliance space. Because I have a lot of appliances, so you can put, all your appliances right there. That's nice. Like you can put more appliances on this side. It's a nice space though. It's nice. It's not far. It's not far from the airport. Okay. Well, thank you. Do you have an application I can look at?
Sure. Let's go to the office. So more or less, that's what it would look like.
And can you explain that piece of paper, the separate piece of paper that you just put back? The sewage again, can I see it?
This replaces the piece of paper.
Oh.
Because the other one had the wrong numbers. This is one applicant only, 50. This one says 100 for two applications, so it's incorrect. So this is the one. This is the same paper. Instead of paying 400 or 352, yours will be only $303. So this is a good one. This is no good.
Okay.
This is assuming that we're moving in on November 30th, the last day of November. So that's all you will need to pay. And this is an iffy, right? It will be entirely based on your credit and the rental history. And when you apply, we do use a third party that would do a check, credit check, background check, a rental history check for us. And based on that, they will let us know which deposit approved with conditions, denied. They decide. We don't really have much say on our side. On a monthly basis, then the rent plus half of utilities, about 100, and another half of utilities, another 100, is paid directly to the gas and the electricity company. So this is kind of different to most communities where you pay some of the utilities directly and some of the utilities with your rent. So more or less about 100 more with your rent here and about 100 directly. So a couple of hundred should cover all of your utilities on top of this rent. I tell people, you know, when you see this 15, think about 1745 that you would need.
Oh no, it sounds kind of high. I'm not gonna lie to you, cause like there's just
Yeah.
more fees that you have to pay for. Like
Yeah, I understand completely. And at the beginning, when I started working here a couple of years ago, I told them, why do you pile up all of this?
Yeah,
small
like
fees?
why? And then you, that's what
Look,
I'm saying. These
26,
additional
5,
fees.
10, 4, right?
Yeah,
28.
that's
I
a
know,
lot.
and I was thinking that confuses people. It makes everything more complicated.
And then you got the website 1325.
Why
No,
don't you just get rid of it, right?
you should have just put 1600.
Yeah, to me, it would make a lot of sense.
Yeah.
And exactly, that's the way we wanted to do it with my coworker here. We were thinking this 26, this 5, this 10, even this few utilities that are not the water and this sewer, that don't vary every month. These are fixed. It's the same amount every month. They add up to, let me see. Need this. Okay, they add up to $45, right? And 51 cents. Now look what happens. So this is what they said to us. Ariel, 45 times 414 apartments times 12 months. You're asking us to get rid of $250,000. You know, so when you say, why don't you get rid of this? This is just confuses people. They're thinking area when we bought the property.
I mean, it's something to think about. Yeah. Like, this is a lot. That's a lot.
Yeah.
$250,000. I don't think.
And this is the thing. I want to use your name, but like it's kind of hard. Nzinga. About a month ago, the prices were still low post-pandemic. But this last month, for some reason, we've seen a larger volume of applicants in this area. And not only here, the whole area. I don't know what's going on, but right now we don't have any apartments because of that. And if we had like 20 apartments laying around, we would have a good special.
Also, at this apartment complex, they have like a health center where you can take a shower. Also, so there's a lot of amenities here, but very expensive. I just want to show the health center really quickly. So this is the health center right here, which is very nice. And I think he told me that they're gonna open up a pool, but yeah, it's a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna leave now. He pretty much told me the rundown on how much it is. It's kind of a little out of my price budget. This is how the outside of it looks. Nice area though, very beautiful home area. Like, you know, it's giving me wood vibes. But yeah, this is nice. I'm about to go to the next place. Let's see what there's. This is nice.
Yeah, so if you want to turn on lights.
Oh wow, I really like this. So this is like for a living room area?
Yes.
Okay. So this is nice. Oh, there's no lights in this one. Nope. Yeah, there's no lights in this. There's no light. I guess the light is off for this one.
Yeah, I think it's probably fix that before. You decided to go with the place?
Huh?
They can probably fix all that.
Yeah. I don't know. It looks like it needs a bulb. Yeah. It's really, really nice. I like it. Like, it looks, everything looks like it was either upgraded or new.
Yeah, they did a bunch of renovations.
Yeah. That's all that area. Okay. You put like closet space a lot. I really like this part though, the piece.
Yeah.
It's a new, brand new. Yeah. It's not too big because I have a lot of appliances, but it's enough. You just would have to put like a microwave in a corner. That's the only thing. It would have to be on the other side, like right there. And yeah, they really worked on this. You can tell. These new paint. How do you turn? Is there another light here?
Maybe.
Oh, yeah, I found it. Tub's kind of old, but always paint the tub. Like this is. Oh, this is nice. Oh, it's not as big as the living room, but it's kind of small. Closet. The main attraction is this living room.
Yeah,
And
it's nice to have separate space. I mean, for the price.
yeah, it's not that bad.
Separate spaces, it's not bad.
Just have to install the air conditioner. But I have two at my house. But
I keep mine in the. I live in the apartment below this one, and I keep my unit in my bedroom window.
oh, are you allowed to put two in or no?
You can. I think you're allowed to put as many as you want.
Yeah, I have
I wouldn't take my word for it because I literally just a key holder.
Yeah, I have two. Yeah, I like it though. It's nice. Yeah, the main attraction would be the living room. So like a couch or whatever over there. Just not too much. It wouldn't be too much that you could put here, but it would definitely be like, that would be the main attraction, like a couch or however it would be. It's nice though. This is like the second place I looked at on the Barrett Company. And this is like the most favorite out of all of them. So to look at another one tomorrow. But trying to get here, yeah. Is wild. Are you guys next to the restaurants down here? Next to Chartiga?
We're pretty close to like Barracks Row and Eastern Market. It's like 15-minute walk from here.
Okay.
We're not far from. We've got a Safeway 2 blocks away.
So what do you pay here? Just the
So the utilities that you pay for would be gas and electric, and internet, and then.
oh, the gas, electric, and what else?
Internet, if you want.
Oh,
internet.
oh, I have
Cable,
internet.
you pay for that. But the building pays for heat and water.
Okay.
Heat, you can sort of control it with these old furnaces, but the building controls the heat.
Yeah.
So, like, if it gets too hot in winter, open the window.
Yeah.
But water is covered. There are laundry facilities in the basement if you want to see those.
Yeah. I would love to see that.
Everybody else's stuff down here when I'm doing my laundry, so there's never really a line or backup
Okay.
issue.
That's decent. Oh, $2. Yeah, just bring your laundry basket, bring it downstairs. It's really it's very clean. It's very, very clean down here.
And
this is the outside. Like, I don't know. I totally love the apartment. Oh, I totally love the apartment she just showed me. Like, it's very, very nice. Very nice. For 13, it's not bad at all. I like it a lot. So now I'm about to head home. But I love the place. Like, it's so nice. And for the price, which is a little in my price range other than the other place, I really like it. Like, I ain't even lying. I like it a lot. So tomorrow I'm going to try to get me an application. And I'm going to see what's good. Like, I really like the place. It's really, really nice. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And leave a comment down below. And like I said, on my videos, let me know how I'm doing my videos. Because I need to know how I'm doing my videos. And I will catch you guys in my next freaking video. Bye, guys.